Ever wanted to watch live sports, movies, or premium channels on your streaming device for free? Today on TechVibes, I will show you how to download hidden applications that you cannot find in the official App Store. Let us get straight into the solution. Step 1 is to download the Downloader app. Navigate to the search icon on your home screen. Type the word Downloader in the search field. Locate the orange Downloader icon. Click on it and select Install. This will put the application directly onto your device. Do not open it yet. Press the Home button on your remote. Step 2 is to disable security scans. Click on your Settings icon, select All Settings, and head down to Privacy. Scroll to the bottom and select Security. Slide over and turn off the feature that says Scan with Play Protect. This prevents the device from automatically removing external applications you choose to install. Step 3 is to authorize unknown apps. Return to your apps list and open Downloader. Select OK on the Quick Start Guide. Slide your remote up to use the red mouse cursor and click the search field. Type the short code 370178 and hit the checkmark. Wait for the 5-second redirect to load the custom portal. Once inside, click the 3-dot menu in the corner and select Add Page to Favorites so you never have to remember the code again. Step 4 is to install the streaming applications. Scroll down the Favorites page to find the Premium Video section. Click on the first application called Film. A prompt will say, Downloader is not authorized to install apps. Click Settings, highlight Downloader on the list, and turn it on. Go back, select Install, and then click Done. Select Delete twice to clear the installation file and save storage. Repeat this exact process for the Flicks application, the T-Option application, and the dedicated live sports app. Download each one, click Install, hit Done, and delete the installer files. Step 5 is to set up an advanced media center. Scroll to the bottom of the portal, select Kodi, and click Install. Hit Done and delete the setup file. Open Kodi from your apps list and click Continue. Allow file access. Go to the Settings gear icon, select System and click Add-ons. Slide across and turn on Unknown Sources, then click Yes. Back out and select File Manager, then click Add Source. Step 6 is to connect the media build. Click the text box to open the keyboard. Press the Shift key to type a colon, then enter the official repository link address. Click OK, name the file path, and click OK again. Back out to Add-ons, select Install from Zip file. Choose the name you created and select the zip file. Once installed, select Install from Repository. Go to Program Add-ons, select the Setup Wizard, and click Install. Click OK on the pop-ups. Once the percentage meter hits 100, click OK, select Yes to install a build, choose the free build option, and click Continue. Let it download and extract fully, then click OK to force close the app. Before you open any of these new streaming applications, you must secure your connection. Your internet service provider can track your activity and block third-party video streams. You need to use NordVPN to run smoothly any apps in the device. The official NordVPN installation link is mentioned in the description and comments. Open the VPN app, click the center button to connect, and let it run quietly in the background to encrypt your data. All your new applications are ready. Navigate to the end of your app section, open your newly configured media center, and enjoy free entertainment. Please hit the subscribe button to support TechVibes. Leave a comment below telling me which app is your favorite. Check the description and pinned comments right now for the official NordVPN link. See you in the next video.